You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word from French, meaning happy. How do you say happy in French? Joyeux. Right, I know it's confusing for non-French speakers, English speakers. Joie, which actually means joy in French, okay? But it's not joyeux, it's joie, okay? Joyeux. The X is silent, and you have this very French sound at the end. Joyeux, as in Joyeux Noël, for example. Joyeux. Joyeux is how you say happy in French, or joyful. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.